Okay, this here is where the old lift used to be. Now if you look here, there's a hole. Do I stick the camera in there? You can see it down the old shaft. If you look up, you can see up there where the old motor used to be. And there you can see the old lift shaft. Look at that. Used to have an old OTIS. See my lift tour of Coastlands Mall to see the old OTIS when it was still in operation. So yeah, that's it. This is the lifting farmers in the Coastlands when we had an old OTIS.
Make the most of our great red dot deals today. Right here at Farmers. Your store.
That's the ground floor. Still got the original bump up. It's actually very quiet. Very quiet for an old OTIS. This is bloody small. And this is bloody small. Look at that, very small. Got the original bumper. That was cool, I've never actually touched the bumper before. Old OTIS Lexingtons. And any second I've got. I don't believe it. Oh, this is the Schindler lifter. Farmers in Coastlands, that's right. The lift at Farmers in Coastlands, they now have a new lift. It is a Schindler. See a little chime. Listen to that beautiful chime. And then let's go back down to ground. It's got red buttons. It's a beautiful cab. It's an MRL traction. Schindler badge. Schindler logo. They used to have an old OTIS, but it's gone. No! There was nothing wrong with it. Oh well, that's it. Here is a lift at Coastlands Mall. This is a lift up to offices, as you can see by where we are. It's an 80s OTIS.
From your favourite sandwiches to perfect paninis, Muffin Break's lunch range is sure to satisfy your midday hunger pangs. Check out Muffin Break's cabinet to see which delicious varieties your local baker has prepared for you today. Muffin Break, always fresh.
Just get one of them. Oh, the down arrow works. Floor indicator is still broken from last time I filmed it. Down we go. Nice and big. Oh, it's very tall. Just look how tall this lift is. Here we are at ground. I press play. Whoa! I just got trapped in the doors. OTIS, you need to fix your electric eyes. Because I almost got trapped in the lift doors. That's it.